Understanding, on par with, a simple guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, on par with. This idiom can be a bit tricky, but it's widely used in both casual and formal English. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, on par with, is used to compare two things that are equal in quality, value, or level. The word par, in this context, means standard or average. So, when something is on par with something else, it meets the same standard or level as that thing. The term par originally comes from the world of sports, particularly golf, where it refers to the expected number of strokes a good player would make on a hole or course. Over time, this concept of a standard or average extended into everyday language, leading to the idiomatic expression, on par with. Let's see how on par with is used in sentences. 1. Her performance in the new role was on par with her predecessors. Here, it means her performance was as good as that of the person who had the role before her. 2. The quality of this smartphone is on par with the leading brands. This suggests that the smartphone's quality is equal to that of the best brands in the market. When using on par with, remember it's for comparing quality, level, or value. It's not used for physical similarities. For instance, saying, "He is on par with his brother in height," is incorrect. Instead, you could say, "He is as tall as his brother." I hope this video clarifies how to use on par with effectively in your conversations and writings. Remember, idioms like this can really polish your English skills and make you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson.